Before we begin, we'd like to thank our friends at Nissan Show Mandaluyong for allowing us to feature some of their vehicles. You can find their contact details in the description of this video. Hey everyone, welcome to AutoPH. Today, we'll be checking out the 2019 Nissan Navara EL Calibre 4x2. This video will be a full tour and review of the Navara. We'll be checking out the different exterior and interior features. Here's the key, let's go ahead and check it out. This Navara comes with a black cloth interior. To start the vehicle, simply insert and turn the key. This vehicle comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. For reverse, push the shifter to the right and pull. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder YD25 VGS turbo diesel engine with 163 horsepower and 403 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. Power is sent to the rear wheels. The Navara is a pickup truck from Nissan. It shares its platform with the Nissan Terra SUV. It was updated in 2018 with Nissan's intelligent mobility technology. The exterior color on this Navara is known as Alpine White. This variant of the Navara is equipped with multi-reflector halogen headlights. The front fog lights are mounted on the bumper. On the rear, all variants of the Navara are equipped with incandescent taillights and a high-mounted LED third brake light. It is equipped with LED indicators on the side mirrors. This Nissan Navara EL Calibre 4x2 has an MSRP of 1,079,000 Philippine pesos. This vehicle comes with silver roof rails. Here you have your roof antenna. The Navara comes with 18-inch alloy wheels in 255/60 R18 tires. It is equipped with ventilated disc brakes in front and drum brakes on the rear. This variant of the Navara is equipped with single-zone climate control. The knob on the left controls your fan speed, and the one on the right controls your temperature. In the center, you have your different zones and front and rear defrost. This vehicle comes with a double DIN head unit with AM/FM radio, CD, USB, and auxiliary. This button selects your radio setting. Here you have your settings. On the upper right, you have your different media sources. The button on the upper left turns on and off the lighting on the head unit. Below you get a power outlet, storage, and your USB and auxiliary input. You also get two cup holders and storage under the center armrest. Here you have your headlight controls, as well as the controls for your variable intermittent wipers. On top of the dashboard is more storage space and a power outlet. On the left, you have a cup holder and fuel cap release. Here you have your door and window locks, power folding mirrors, and automatic driver's side window. Above, you have your LED map lights and your sunglass holder. This variant gets an auto-dimming mirror with the Nissan Intelligent Mobility cameras. You have a front and rear view and a 360 camera. The cameras are located on the front emblem, side mirrors, and the rear tailgate. The rear seat in the Navara is good with enough room for anyone with a height of 5 feet and 6 inches, though other competitors may have a larger rear legroom. In the center, you get rear vents and two cup holders on the floor. The cargo bed on the Navara has a payload capacity of 1,000 kg with a length of 1,503 mm and a width of 1,560 mm. Towing capacity is 3,500 kg. That's all for the 2019 Nissan Navara EL Calibre 4x2. Please subscribe and watch out for more videos.